When you forget your Oppo phone's screen password or have bought a second-hand Oppo phone with a screen lock whose password you don't know, you might be at a loss. Then you will find that the only solution is a hard reset. However, a hard reset can save your phone in some cases, while an incorrect operation may lead to damage to your device. Fortunately, you are in the right place. Here we will show you 3 proven ways to hard reset your Oppo phone. Let's dive in. Method 1. Hard reset Oppo without a computer. If you don't want to use a computer to solve the problem, this method will be suitable for you. However, you must ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi network or mobile data, as they are essential for the Android recovery mode. Step 1. Turn off the Oppo phone by long pressing the power button. Step 2. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time until you see the Oppo logo. Step 3. After entering the recovery screen, click the wipe data option twice, and tap the OK to confirm. After that, your Oppo data will be erased, and your Oppo phone will be hard reset successfully. Method 2. Hard reset Oppo via engineer mode. The risk of this method is a bit higher, so you need to carefully follow the steps during the operation process. Otherwise, problems such as operation failure or even system errors may occur. First of all, please click the emergency call icon on the locked Oppo phone. Then, type *#899# on the dialing screen, and you will enter the engineer mode. Then please choose the manual test option. Next, click the reading reset complete indicator option and go back. And you'll see the key status option. Please click it and return to the dial. Finally, click the return key, and you will hard reset your Oppo successfully. Method 3. Hard reset Oppo via DroidKit. If you tried all the methods above and found nothing works, don't fret. You have one last chance to get your Oppo phone back to normal. DroidKit is a professional Android unlocking tool that simplifies the hard reset process, making it accessible even to those without technical knowledge. Moreover, DroidKit supports bypassing the FRP lock, recovering lost or deleted data, and fixing system issues. Next, let me show you how to hard reset Oppo without a password using DroidKit step by step. Step 1. Download DroidKit for free and run it. Step 2. Click on Screen Unlocker. Then, connect your phone to your computer via a USB cable. Step 3. Click the Start button. DroidKit will prepare the configuration file for you. Once it's done, click the Remove Now button to proceed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the unlocking process is completed, the lock screen of your phone will be removed, and you can now set up your Oppo phone. Hope you solved the issue by following methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below and see you next time.